Question for you. What do you do when you have hundreds of packs of extra seeds that have collected up over the years? Well, for me, and what I'm going to do this year is an experiment. I put them all into a coffee container here, mix them all up. I have an extra bed here. What I was going to put in, I changed my mind, and so I am just going to add the seeds in here and see what grows. So first, last night I went through, it was just shy of 200 packs of seeds, and I dumped them in here. Anything that was older than 2 years old went in, and anything that I don't use a whole heck of a lot or that I didn't really think had the longest lifespan. And there's all different sizes. So I have little, I have small, I have carrots, I have beans, I have a couple of bushing squash, and a number of different things. So we're just going to put them in here and see what goes. So what I have done so far is I weeded this bed out. I leveled the bed. I weed whacked around the edges here. And I also pulled I had straw covering, protecting the soil. So I pulled the straw back. I am going to put the seeds down very, very heavily, just put it on the top. I'm going to soak them in. Then I'm going to put the straw in, soak them in again. And then I'm going to put wet cardboard around the outside here, because this is just soil. I never did finish up putting mulch around here. So I'm going to finish up mulching around here to keep the weed pressure down, and then I will give you an update in probably a month or two once we have some stuff growing, and just see how it looks. As always happens, I got busy on the farm and did not do a mid-year update, so this is kind of the end of the year update. A lot of stuff has already died out here, but we did get several harvests from borage. The red amaranth, I got tons of seed and leaves from that, and all that harvested. So the seed is a grain, and the leaves can be used for food and medicinal. Number of different things there. We got, let's see, beets. We still have some tomatoes on, which is amazing even after last frost, and there's still some cherry tomatoes on there. We had, I think these are called cosmos and zinnias, and a couple different flowers out of here, so we harvested some of that. Let's see, I said borage, tomatoes, we had carrots, we have tomatillo, a number of different things came up in here. Given the number of seeds, not as much stuff as I thought, so it wouldn't surprise me if once stuff gets some sunshine, it actually pops up again next year. So I'll have to keep an eye out on that. But for the most part, not super successful, although I did get some harvest out of it. And considering it's out here with the rabbits and everything else, I guess they ate their favorite parts, and I got to harvest some stuff. But yeah, whatever, it got rid of some seeds and made room for some more, for me to purchase some more seeds for next year. So that's it for this experiment for 2023.